today we'll see how we can fetch the APIs using JavaScript, and that will show in a web page guys. Okay, so we'll use fake APIs, so there are a lot of fake APIs, so from that we'll fetch. Okay, so we'll start guys. So for that, to create or to fetch APIs from JavaScript and to show in index page means we want two files, that is one is we'll take index.html file, we want HTML file, and one more we want that is script.js. I'll take away right now this only because for JavaScript we use .js extension, and for HTML we use .html extension. Okay, so fine guys. Then what we need to do guys, just now first what we'll do, we'll create a HTML page. So see, I want to show the fetch the data from API. I want to show in my index page. Okay, so I'll first what I'll do, I'll take a boilerplate. Okay, you can see emit abbreviation, so I'll just enter. You can see I got a boilerplate. Okay, I'll change the this fetch API example. Okay, so guys, what I have done, I have created one index page. We'll run and check. Yes, nothing will be visible actually. You can see guys, here it is open but nothing is visible, only the title whatever I given that I can see, but other things I cannot see because I have not given anything, right? So how I can see? So what we'll do guys, this is done. We have created one index page, okay, which is very simple in index page. You can see very simple index page. Okay, so what we'll do guys, we'll add here one heading like API data, like that. API data. Okay, sorry, what is happening here? See guys, here what you need to write, I'm giving title. Okay, so it is API data, it is like that. Okay, then next what we'll do guys, we are taking this API guys, that I'll show you first so you'll get idea, right? So we are using fake APIs. So if you go here and type the fake APIs, you will get a lot of fake APIs. So I'll take this only JSON placeholder. From here I'll get fake APIs. So this post, we'll use post as this node. Post fake API, I'll type here post fake APIs. Okay, this also I'll open. Okay, here you can see guys, there are post fake APIs, dummy APIs you can say, or fake APIs you can say. So I'm pasting here, we'll see what I'll get. Oh, how to remove the code. If I enter, you can see guys, I got the post. Okay, so you can see here is post. So from this is a fake API which has already the data that only we are going to fetch. Okay, so fine. So for that, what I have to do is I have to write the HTML. Okay, so to I will fetch that data in my UL. Okay, so here what I'll give, I'll take one ID because this ID is needed guys later, that I'll tell you later. Okay, so data dot list I'll take because I'm fetching from list, so related to that only name we have to give. Okay, and here we are using script file, so that file we need to include this because we are fetching from JavaScript means script file will be there. So for that I'll take here script emit abbreviation, and here my source will come because we are including our file in source only. So source is equal to, the file name is what guys, the file name is script.js. Okay, so I'll write here script.js. Okay, so we have added script file also, and this everything is done. If you go and check the view, if you check here, it will be like this API data. Okay, fine. Then next what we'll do is, now main thing is we have to write a code to fetch the data. This is done. Then next what we'll do, we'll write here data, and whatever the data is there, that we will show here. Okay, in this list. So just go in script. So guys, here we are not using any dot then method. We will use guys fetch method only because right now all are using a fetch method, and according to me fetch method is good even to understand, and it is very easy also. Okay, so we'll go with fetch method only. So for that I have to use, I'm writing the function guys. to fetch the API. Okay, so here is my async function will come. Async means guys, async and synchronization. Asynchronization is what? Okay, so this is fetch a data. I'm fetching the data. So this is my function name, and here I'll use the try catch to check the errors and all, guys. So here is my try. So in try only, what I am going to do, I will call the sorry, I will fetch the API. So here is my whatever the API response I'll get, that I'll get in response. And here I will use await function because I'm on async, means await will come. Okay, and here what will come is, here my API will come, which is fake API. As I shown you this. Okay, so dummy post API I'm using, so I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is my dummy API, guys, or you can say fake API as well. Okay, so whatever the API I'm calling, that response I'll get here. Then here we'll check if the response is correct. Suppose if I got everything correct, if I got all the data, or first we'll check if the response is not correct, what we have to show. If it is not correct, for not we are using exclamatory. Okay, if it is not correct, what we'll do, guys, we'll throw one error. So here is my throw, oh sorry, it should be like throw error. Okay, so here we're throwing one error, guys. Okay, and that error will show like this: http error status will show like in dollar, and here my response dot status will show. Okay, here my curly braces, flower basis will get, oh, curly basis will get closed. Okay, so usually I use flower, it's not flower brace, it's curly braces only. We have to pronounce like curly braces. Okay, so you can see here it is done. Okay, but okay, here we are throwing new error, http status. Here is my dollar response will get in status, guys, and we are closing the tag. Okay, so whatever the, if there is anything wrong, it will come here, and if it is correct, we'll store that in const data is equal to await. Here we'll get response in JSON. That is, whatever the response we are getting, JSON response we are sending to an data. Okay, you can see here. If it is correct, it will come here. If it is wrong, it will come here. Right. Later, what we'll do, guys, we'll console also that data, whatever the data we're getting. So I'm doing here console means that will get in console page. Okay. So here it is, fetch the data. So whatever fetch data will show here. Okay, done. And guys, if it is this, now if there is any error, what we'll do is we'll show the error here as well. Rather than that, okay, if any other error is there, we'll show in console as well. So here we're taking error fetching data, and here we show the error, that is error dot message. Okay, so it will show the error if there is an error. So we'll check this whether in console we'll get the data or not, or any error are there, that also we'll check. Okay, so I'm going here in my page, sorry, in my page. Console means you need to do inspect, go in console and check here. Okay, it is not showing anything fetch data and all. We have called here script.js. Yes, here is my script file. Okay, we have not called this function. Yes, I have to call this function as well, right? Then how it will get? So here I am calling the function, guys, that is fetch data. Now we'll see in console whether it will be visible or not. Oh, you can see, guys, I got the data in. console. You can see guys, I got the data, right? So from where it is coming, you can see here in console we got. Okay, now what I have to do guys, whatever the data I got in console, that I have to show in my page here. Here it is, but I want to show here, so that will do now. So for that, what I have to do guys, here I have to use document. So I will use a const list. So dom function we have to use guys here, that is document dot get will fetch the id to show the data. So get element by id, and here the id name is what guys, you can see the id name is data list. I have to show in this field, right? So I'll take that id only and I'll add here. Okay, so we are fetching the id from html, means we are fetching the html here. Then what we'll do is here we'll use the for loop to get the data. So I'm taking here data dot for each, and I am fetching the items from my list. So here I'll take item, and here we're going to use arrow function guys. Okay, then what will come here, const list item. I'll tell you guys what it is. Okay, so document dot create element. Okay, create element, and here I'm taking in li. Okay, in list we have taken. Then next what we'll do is whatever we're getting, that will send to a list item dot text content, and here what will come, item dot title. Okay, done. Then guys, we are appending that to our list. So here is my append child will come, and here I'm taking my list items. Okay, so this is done. Then I'm closing the tag here. Okay, so something is wrong guys here, I have to check. So data dot for each here, oh I have closed here, it should not be closed here. Okay, so guys, what I'm doing, I'm fetching the html element here from this id, that is data list. Then whatever the data I got here, that we are giving to an for loop, you can see is for each. Then item we are fetching whatever the item we are getting, as you seen here, that item we are fetching here. Then that item we are giving to create an li. Okay, so here also we are creating list guys. Okay, so one by one to show. So here we have created one li element. Okay, that we are giving to list item. Then whatever the title we are taking, for example, uh, whatever the title is there, you can see is here, title is there, right? So this title we are fetching, and we are giving that to this list item is this, for in list we are sending. Okay, then whatever the list item we are getting, that we are appending child, and we are appending that to a list. Okay, so it will append, it will take one append, it will take one append, like that it will do. Okay, suppose if I go and if I check in my browser now, you'll see the magic. See, you are seeing magic only. See here, one error is there, so that will see guys first. Okay, so here it is telling data dot for each here error is there, so we'll check that guys what it is. Okay, here it is not a function, it is telling here we got. Okay, so guys, what we have to do here, we'll take post as well, and we'll check guys. Okay, so this post will take, and we'll check data dot posts. Okay, now we'll see whether we'll get output or not. So enter. Yes, you can see the magic. Yes, got. Yes, we got the output. You can see, yes, we got all the titles. Okay, whatever the titles are there, now that we got. You can see here. Here is the title. His mother had always taught him. You can see his mother had always taught him. We got all the output, right? So, like this, what you can do is you can fetch APIs using JavaScript in index.html, right? And you can do the coding as well. As means you can do the backend by using JavaScript as well by using this. Okay, so I hope guys you got. Suppose if you have any question regarding this, then guys you can comment in comment box. And one more thing is, I've changed here just to replace this with maptics guys. So I hope guys you got. If any question guys, you can comment in comment box. And if you like my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting.